a complete guide to car accident claims and legal action in Ohio. If you've been injured in a crash, understanding how car accident laws in Ohio work is essential to protecting your rights and recovering compensation. In this video, we will discuss Ohio car accident claims, lawsuits, and more. Understanding car accident claims versus lawsuits in Ohio. After a crash, auto accident victims often find themselves navigating two related but distinct legal paths: filing a car accident claim and pursuing a car accident lawsuit. While these terms are sometimes used interchangeably, they represent different stages in the process of seeking compensation. A car accident claim is typically the first step. It involves negotiating with insurance companies for a fair settlement to cover your medical expenses, lost wages, and other damages. If the insurer refuses to offer reasonable compensation, your attorney may escalate the matter by filing a formal car accident lawsuit in civil court. Ohio follows an at-fault system, meaning the person responsible for causing the crash or their insurance provider is liable for the resulting damages. This includes cases involving serious injuries, property damage, and even wrongful death when someone is killed due to another driver's negligence, such as a drunk driver. Key differences between a claim and a lawsuit include: a claim is filed with the insurance company, a lawsuit is filed in court. Claims are typically resolved through negotiation. Lawsuits may involve a judge or jury. Lawsuits require formal legal documents and adherence to strict procedural rules. Claims often settle faster, while lawsuits can take longer but may result in higher compensation. Lawsuits are generally filed only if a fair settlement cannot be reached through the claims process. If you've been injured in a car accident through no fault of your own, you have the right to pursue compensation from the at-fault party's insurance company and, if necessary, through a lawsuit to recover the full value of your losses. The legal process for a car accident claim in Ohio. The process begins with an insurance claim and, depending on how the insurer responds, may proceed to a formal lawsuit. Understanding what happens during a claim can help reduce stress and prepare you for each phase. The typical steps involved in the car accident claim process in Ohio. 1. Seek medical attention immediately to document your injuries and protect your health. 2. Contact a car accident lawyer to evaluate your case and explain your legal options. 3. Investigate the accident by gathering police reports, witness statements, photos, and other evidence. 4. File a claim with the at-fault driver's insurance company, outlining your injuries and damages. 5. Negotiate with the insurance company to reach a fair settlement without going to court. 6. File a personal injury lawsuit if the insurer refuses to offer adequate compensation. 7. Engage in discovery and pre-trial motions where both sides exchange evidence and prepare for trial. 8. Resolve the case through settlement or verdict, securing compensation for your injuries and losses. A successful claim depends on timely action, strong evidence, and a legal strategy tailored to your specific losses. Ohio Statute of Limitations for auto accidents. In Ohio, injury victims must act quickly. Under Ohio Revised Code 2305.1, the statute of limitations for most personal injury cases is 2 years from the date of the accident. Waiting too long to begin the process could result in losing your right to recover compensation altogether. Who pays for my medical bills after a car accident? After a car accident, the cost of medical treatment can add up quickly, especially if your injuries are severe or require long-term care. In Ohio, the other party, specifically the driver who caused the accident, is generally responsible for covering your medical bills through their insurance policy. However, this compensation often comes later in the process, after a settlement or verdict is reached. In the meantime, you may use your own health insurance or medical payment (MedPay) coverage to manage expenses. A car accident lawyer can help coordinate payments and make sure your medical costs are appropriately documented and recovered. Evidence for a car accident claim. Strong evidence is essential for personal injury lawyers to prove fault, establish the severity of injuries, and secure fair compensation after a crash. The right documentation helps link your injuries to the accident and clarify how the other driver caused the collision. Gathering evidence early makes sure that important details from the scene and the parties involved are preserved. Key evidence in a car accident claim includes medical records detailing diagnosis, treatment, and recovery, police or crash reports identifying the parties involved and initial findings, photographs of vehicle damage, injuries, and road conditions, witness statements supporting your version of events, surveillance or traffic camera footage if available, vehicle repair estimates or total loss evaluations, cell phone records in cases involving distracted driving, expert analysis or accident reconstruction reports, insurance communications, and claim documentation. Your attorney will help you to gather all necessary evidence for your case. Common damages in car accident cases. In a car accident case, damages refer to the financial compensation awarded to cover the losses you've suffered due to another driver's negligence. These damages can be both economic, tangible costs like medical expenses, and non-economic, such as pain and emotional suffering. The goal is to restore the injured person as much as possible to their condition before the accident. Personal injury lawyers calculate these damages using documentation, expert input, and the unique impact the crash has had on your life. Common types of damages in car accident cases include medical expenses for emergency care, surgeries, and rehabilitation, lost income and wages from missed time at work, future lost earning capacity due to long-term injury, pain and suffering, including physical discomfort and emotional distress, property damage to your vehicle and belongings, loss of enjoyment of life caused by lasting limitations, permanent disability or disfigurement, mental health treatment expenses related to trauma or anxiety, loss of consortium or companionship in serious injury cases, other damages. Each car accident claim is unique and therefore has unique damages. An experienced car accident lawyer will be able to fully assess the damages you're incurred to ensure you are completely compensated for your losses. The benefits of hiring a car accident lawyer in Ohio. Hiring a car accident lawyer after a crash can make a significant difference in how your case is handled and how much compensation you receive. An experienced attorney will know how to build a strong claim, prove another's negligence, and deal with insurance companies that often try to minimize payouts. Your lawyer will also preserve key evidence, interview witnesses, and coordinate expert evaluations when needed. In more serious cases, legal teams often work with accident reconstructionists to analyze how the crash happened and who was at fault. By hiring a lawyer, you gain access to a full range of resources and support, including in-depth investigation of the crash scene and contributing factors, timely collection of medical records, police reports, and financial documentation, negotiation with insurers for a full and fair settlement, courtroom representation if a lawsuit becomes necessary. With the right legal help, injury victims can focus on recovery while their attorney fights to seek justice and financial accountability. Without this guidance, critical deadlines could be missed or claims undervalued. A skilled car accident lawyer knows how to handle every step of the process, from filing to resolution. Most importantly, they protect your rights and work to secure the outcome you deserve.